How to use AI captions on Snapchat. So if you want to use AI captions on your Snapchat, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Play Store, and the first thing you need to do is update your application. So search for Snapchat. After searching, you need to go with update if you have any updates under your Snapchat. Now after updating, you need to tap on open. And after opening your snap, you just need to simply take a random snap. After taking a snap, now you need to go with the text option, which is on the top right. Once you tap on text here, you will have AI caption. Tap on AI caption and then tap on OK, and it will generate AI caption. But in order to use the AI captions, you need to have Snapchat Plus Premium. So if you have Snapchat Plus Premium, then you'll be able to use your AI captions. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.